Hello, brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Untouchable mama. I get little thing wey I wan talk about this lady, this I think na Beatrice dem dey call her Okpaika, wey dey for Facebook. I come send this message to you, madam. I be dey think am say you dey very responsible about the video wey you do yesterday. I just dey think am say you no be person wey maybe person wey dey talk about family matter for Facebook. No vex o, madam. Even though say you know these people, this family, this Bridget wey bring something come give you. Even though say you know them, you first know them for Italy. Why you no tell us make he give you phone number? The husband, okay, as you dey talk say you know them. Say like say you no know them, you for not talk for this matter. As you as you say you know them, why you no collect the phone number of the husband? May you try, may you reach the husband, may you talk to am, may you talk to am well before you go say may you go come Facebook. The woman don talk am for Facebook. Say see wetin dey happen. No, you can't carry am, you can't they talk am for your own Facebook. Wetin be una problem? Una just dey for Facebook for 3 hours. They talk another person family problem. Una get una own. Una nyash never even clean. Una get una a full una head. Person wey get sense, wey get sense well, wey really know say get sense. If you go watch that woman, that Bridget video, you go know say that woman still dey in love with her husband. Wetin come be una own? Wetin be una own? The woman say her husband go marry another wife. My sister Bridget, you as you say you marry for common, you know say that second wife wey you marry, that one they don cancel am because no be marriage, you know, because this una no divorce, e no exist at all because your husband fit go prison for wetin he do. But may we comot that one, because this Bridget is still dey in love with her husband. Wetin concern you, Okpaika? I dey vex for you, this woman. I be the thing say you dey responsible well. A woman wey you say you know from Italy, so you know that you know as they take bring her husband come. No be your right at all to come make Facebook for the man head. Even though say his wife fit do am, na her husband. Anything wey like he call her husband. Na she dey use her mouth take dey talk am. You wey say you know them, you go fit settle them. If you know say you no fit settle them, don't put your hand inside there. And that is family matter with 3 children. Person wey really know say that because that woman e still dey love her husband no matter how. Make you no enter there. Abeg, I just use God say beg you, Okpaika. Remove yourself for that family matter. Una dey do wetin dey concern una. This one no concern you at all. E no concern you. No be say you come put the picture, you come dey talk nonsense for there. You are just talking rubbish. The woman fit talk anything wey she like. Na her husband. If he put am for anywhere, put am for Facebook, put am for anywhere wey like. Na her husband. If her husband still come, go still say I forgive you, my wife. Wetin be una own? Una no get una own for body. Una no get una own. No go destroy the family. No go destroy am because the woman don first talk. The person, if una watch the video of that Bridget, una see wetin the woman talk. Wetin first pass when she even forgive her husband. Wetin be una own? Na today. If you marry, if you don say you marry, you don born put. Anything wey you do for your husband, na yourself you do am for, because you dey do am for your own family, for your children, for your own self. Una no dey pinch. Una go just enter family matter. Una go dey talk. If you really say you love that Bridget, Okpaika, if you know say you love that Bridget, na your right now wey you go tell am say this thing wey you say make I talk come out, I no go talk am come out. Give me your husband, give me Nosa phone number, make I call am, make I talk to am. Really say you love am, because you no love am. Because like say you love am, you for not tell am, you for not come bring am come Facebook on the talk. If you really say you dey feel for that woman, because person wey sit down, wey look, I go know say that woman, she get pain for inside body. E get pain because say the man leave am. E get pain. E no mean say if the man come tomorrow come beg am say the woman no accept am. E go accept am. E dey for him eye say e go accept am, because na him children father. No matter how anything away one more or joko yari ojabo wodo. Una no dey put una hand for inside family matter. Una no dey hear. Una go dey put una hand. Una no be the okagbe. Una no be the family. Wetin concern una? Why una go dey judge person? Don't judge anybody. This family matter. Nobody get right to judge any family husband and wife issue. You don't have the right. They no born you rich. No be you go judge am. Na judge na go talk. Make two of them come stand for front of judge, say they no want again. Judge go sign paper for now. Okay, you go your own, I go your own. No be say what una come dey judge. Wetin concern una? Una no get una own. Una no get una own. Have enough for now. Una no get una own. This Okpaika, I just surprised say you do this video. I very dey surprised. I no even expect you at all. More than they talk all that thing. Like the woman don talk to you, go bring am come and you dey give her, just dey give her sweet something wey sweet. It's normal. Say person wey a husband live with 3 children, he go get that pay. Yeah, you go marry because the woman know say that marriage na zero. The marriage wey husband go do for Nigeria, that one na zero. They no count am. Not just as you talk say na common na you for do marriage. So just have am for mind say your husband never marry because you with am na still husband and wife till una sign paper for divorce. You understand? Make you dey tell am wetin sweet. No, you go carry come make people come dey talk about your husband. We are talking about your husband, no be say e don separate o. He never divorce. Na still father of his children. Anything wey they go talk now, e go dey affect the children. Una no get sense. The woman fit talk anything wey like for a platform. Talk and say your husband na this and that, that one, that. Good, na your wife na you talk am. No be there, no that third person. Come dey put him home, come dey talk put. Wetin dey worry una? Wetin una get for head? Now na worse pass, but una no dey talk am for outside. So na just hear another person matter, una just put am for head. 3 hours now una go dey for Facebook. When I go take the sit down, they talking for another person problem, family. What is the worry now? Okay, if 2 of them consent to tomorrow, what you go come do? You go say the woman dey bad as he carry your husband enter house. Na your husband, anything wey like it. If he talk say your husband na this, your husband na that. Na your husband, na him to take talk am. Your husband go even forgive am. This husband and wife, na no wetin they call husband and wife, better for worse. The thing wey they go say we no dey do again. Una fit dey talk. Wetin dey worry una sef? Since they are still husband and wife, mona no dey pinch, mona no dey enter inside, mona no dey enter. They dey talk am for Italian, they take am make parable say marital moglie che nessuno devi mettere il dito. You know wetin e mean? You wey be Okpaika, you say don fair dey for Italy, you know wetin I talk? Never you, the third person, come put your hand for inside husband and wife issue. Never. Don't try it. What is the worry now? What una no get sense? Now you dey do anyhow. If una just dey that Facebook, una sense. Now on that fit now you come dey. Instead of you to dey encourage the woman, say no worry, everything go dey okay. They pray for your husband, make everything dey okay. Now wetin woman dey do na be that one. You go dey pray for your husband. You go dey pray any evil spirit back to sender. Instead of make you dey help am, they tell am say make they give am courage. They give am make no worry, husband go come back. How can a man go leave his whole 3 children without say una no quarrel, nothing happen just because of say family problem? You go dey tell am make they pray. May try to the other spirits, may they return her back to sender. No, you carry a call for Facebook. What you want contact people? What you want make people come and talk put? You want make you get viewers? Why you not bring your own make you come talk? I be now your clean well, or your whole family, husband, or your whole family will not get problem for inside body. One are not carry and come, another person you now one make one take shine. I just a verse for Okpaika, really. I too like you because this thing what you do, I just a verse for you, really. No try am again, no try am beg. Wait till they say husband and wife. If they still there, children can't join them. I beg. That's your hand, come out for inside. The woman know as he go take see her husband. If he really say he wants say he want make come take him money back. I get that belief say that woman still dey love her husband. Nobody go fit change her. The woman know as he take talk, nothing bad wey talk against that man. You understand? Nothing bad. My sister Bridget, I beg if you see this audio, I beg my sister, they pray for your husband head. They alerun ne kakabo, alerun jo on that for where I will your husband go return back to you. Any evil way they do, may go back to sender because you don't born 3 children for them. Not be clear eye say they do what they do. Not be clear eye. You need the man need very prayer, very heavy prayer. And that man needs. Not carrying your matter go give people where they do live video for Facebook. Everything go dey better. I know say now because of say you dey hungry, let make you do the one way you do. God go make it where there is no way. God must surely do it. There must be a way there. all this nonsense wey dem dey do for there, no join them, my sister. No join them because of the sake of your children. Man, understand? Osaboa bless you well. Everything will better for you, Bridget. Because that video I watch am, you know, something not there for your belle say they bad to that man. You know, say emi na gbona emi no ri emi na gbona ma like emi no mama enya gboboji. My sister, beware of all those people wey dey for Facebook. Try to pray for your husband head. One day, omo ekpo ade, ogwalowe ade. Emi no emi oma we. As if I say do am, the very story wey you first talk for your video wey I watch, where as they say do everything for Nigeria, at last you forgive am, you take am enter house again. You now then you for know say this thing wey they do, carry bag they go. You know say no be normal. My sister, na only that prayer now you need. Na prayer, nobody. All this Facebook of life video, they no fit help you. They will just destroy your marriage. They will destroy am well. You understand? Okpaika, I beg my sister. I beg. I use God to beg you. Wait till they call matrimony home. No enter inside. 1 minute time away. No enter inside. Carry yourself, come off for them. They know how they settle themselves. If you're really a good person, you say you know them, you go collect your phone number. You go find one way or another to get that no sir, talk to her. Put yourself for inside your head. Not be one way you call carry, they talk for Facebook. And little thing now just take them me. So because I know they like person where they enter for matrimonial. I know they like them. I know they like them. No enter. Me with my husband feel settle tomorrow. Wait till be your own business. Huh? Wait till be your own business. They feel settle tomorrow. They feel not settle. Don't enter there. Leave them make them find divorce. Say they know they again. If you want they talk, you go they talk. Don't be say when children they still they marry. So don't go there. A little talk. Bye bye, my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama. Goodbye.